By the way, are you also a holder of Multiverse? If so, let us know in the comments. Here, 8. What events are coming up this year? For example, the Supernova upgrade, but also startup demo days. The roadmap is active, and the news flow is steady. A solid 7. And then we come back to the result. Do you know what surprised me most about MultiverseX? How technically strong this project is, and how little is actually said about it. While other altcoins make a lot of noise, MultiverseX just keeps building.
Do you want to know what this coin is really capable of? The full analysis with all the data and my forecast is now available on YouTube. Link in bio, let's 10x.